All right, welcome boys and girls. Another T.O.A.S.T PE activity. This was Coach Danzy. Today we're going to work on throwing with opposition. That's going to be our main skill today we're working on. We're going to throw a little bit of fun into it where we have some math involvement. Okay, so you have to learn, we're going to be working on numbers, addition, maybe a little subtraction, and for the older kids, maybe a little multiplication. Okay, we're going to try and stretch our brain and also work on our fundamentals of throwing. Okay, so when we throw, we have to remember that we step with opposition. Now, what do I mean by stepping with opposition? If you're right-handed, that means your left foot will go forward, your right hand will throw the ball. Okay, you're left-handed, that means your right foot will go forward and your left hand will throw the ball. Today we're going to work on just that. We're going to use our sock today, and we're going to throw with opposition. We got the overhand throw, and we also got the left hand toss. All right. So today we're gonna do a toss today, underhand toss. We're gonna see how that works. Okay, Mr. Danzy has his sock here, and what we're gonna do is very simple. I'm gonna stand a certain amount of feet away from the target area, and I got a bunch of numbers placed on the wall there. Make sure it's safe to do it at your house with mom and dad. Actually, it'd be a lot more fun if you have your whole family involved. Mom, dad, and your siblings, brother and sister. Okay? So their job is quite simple. You're going to toss the ball, toss the sock with opposition at a number on the wall. Okay? So I'm going to show you, give you a couple practices real quick. So I'm right-handed, step with my left foot, toss at a number. So I got number 4. And you come back, and you do it again. Okay, boys and girls, here it is. Now, right here, you see a number right here, and this number is 7. Now, your job is to try to hit 2 numbers on that wall to make 7. So, Mr. Danzy is going to try it right now. Oh, Mr. Danzy missed. Got to try again. There's 4. 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's try one more. Here's 10. 6. 4. Okay, boys and girls. 6 plus 4 equals 10. That's what we got there that time. Okay, boys and girls, now we can do some math problems here, and I want you to do the same thing we've been doing prior, but this time you're going to have the number, you have the equation already. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. So what you got to do now is find the 4 on the wall and try to get it. Four. Next equation, boys and girls. 2 plus 8 equals 10. You got it. Let's try to get 10 this time. Did it again. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do some subtraction here. And we have 16 minus 9 equals, I can't hear you, 7. 7. Subtraction number 2. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Bullseye. Okay, boys and girls, let's step it up a little bit. This is going to be more for the older kids. We're going to do multiplication. All right, we got 2 factors here. We got 9 times 6 equals, come on, big kids, what's the answer? 54. 54. Okay, boys and girls, second multiplication problem. We got factors 5 and 11. So 5 times 11 equals 55. 55. Okay, now to challenge yourself, what you're going to do is put a time limit on yourself, maybe like 45 seconds. And what's going to happen is very simple. You're going to find the multiples or the 2 factors and to try to get the number that's on your card. So you make a bunch of cards, put some numbers on them, and then you just try to find 2 numbers that make up that number that's on your card. So right here is 5, and what I would do I would get my sock and I would toss it at maybe 4, and then my second toss would be at the 1. Then I will hurry back up and run to the numbers again and pick a new number. My new number is 7. So I will get my sock and go really fast and get 2 numbers after 7. So I will get 4, then I will hit the 3. Then I will run back to the table and get my numbers from the table, and it's 6. So I got to find 2 numbers that equal 6. So I will go for the 2 and then the 4. All right? So that's what you would do with that, and you will go until you get the number to 45. And then when you get to 45, you're going to challenge a parent or a sibling, and you can see who had the most before the time was up. Okay, so it'll be a nice little fun family challenge. All right, so have fun. And remember to throw with opposition. And this is Coach Danzy. See you next time at T.O.A.S.T PE.